Welcome to the Mission Fire Rescue Service. Here at Station 1, we have a really great museum. I'm Captain Hahn, and I'd like to take you on a tour.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to the museum. Today I'd like to show you around some really cool things we have. One of the main attractions is our 54 pumper. Here we have is a 1954 pumper, which Mission Fire Rescue used for 34 years. After 34 years of service, Mission Fire Rescue Association purchased this pumper and restored it to the shape that it's in today. Maybe we can just show you around a little about the truck. This is where the firefighters would drive to the scene, to any type of emergency. And then here we have our pump panel. So this pumper was 625 gallons. And on the side here we have some hoses that were used. And this is the back where the firefighters would hold on tightly and rush down to the emergency scene. And then there's a hose bed in which they'd pull out the hose. Of course, the ladders on the side for hard to reach places for rescue. And of course, the pipe pole. And from 1954
Fire service was established in 1927 with Chief Percy Rutledge. He had 9 firefighters that helped him fight the blazes.
Hey everyone, welcome to Station 1's museum. Come on in and I'll give you a tour. Let me start off over this side of the wall. Over here we've got some albums. In these albums we've got newspaper clippings dating back from 1927 through to today's current edition. They're kind of chronicling all of our incidents over the years. So over here we've got some cabinets, some display cabinets. In these cabinets we've got some memorabilia and some old appliances and gear that we've used over the years. And if you look up here on the wall, we've got a picture of the 1954 pumper in operation. Over here in this display cabinet we've got some old brass nozzles that up until just recently were in use. Today's nozzles are much different from these ones. As we move further down into this display cabinet, we have old pages and radios, as well as old pass devices, which were an alarm system that would activate when a firefighter is down. We have some old chief helmets from years past, and some medals and patches that have been donated from various fire departments. So over here, we've got some old turnout gear. These old turnout coats were made out of leather. We've got some really light, thin helmets, and some old boots and pants. A lot of the firefighters back in the day would just wear regular jeans. And we've had quite the transition to today's gear, made out of Nomex, multiple layers, steel-toed boots with shanks in the soles. And then over here we have the old tanks that we used, old masks. These tanks were made out of steel. And then we've transitioned to a carbon fiber tank that's much lighter and an up-to-date mask. And this helmet here is dedicated in memory of the late Fire Chief Frank Bryan.
Well, thanks for coming and joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the museum. And remember, stay safe.